to be honest, I think I'm going a little bit crazy inside, not seeing anyone. So I spent about 2 days reorganizing my wardrobe. I'm most proud of my separation of my t-shirts into my stripes, and you can see I'm a little bit obsessed, and my block colors. And I'm really into mustard and yellows right now, as you can probably tell. But I haven't seen anyone, so I haven't been able to wear them. And then I just did the rest of my wardrobe, running stuff to help me run, pajamas, and yep. And that's probably all I've done. And then sleep, and then sleep. So yeah, good fun.
Hi guys, it's Kai here, and my video is going to be about the expectations versus realities of self-isolation based on my own life. Expectation 1. I'm going to do things that I want to do but don't usually have the time to do them, like making a dress. Expectation 2. I will read a new book. In reality, if you're a uni student like me, you will be pretty busy because 8 AM lectures still exist. And if you are a first year like me, you will spend more time trying to figure everything out. I haven't been out since the 20th of March, and it is now the 1st of April. I've been zooming off to my classes, and when I have free time, I also work by tutoring high school students, and I also volunteer to tutor to provide them assistance in the troubling times of COVID.
Hey everyone, Adam here checking in from self-isolation. It's been an interesting few weeks, I think, but we're using the opportunity here to, I guess, catch up on some things that we haven't been able to do given the busy nature of life. So we have a puzzle going at the moment, which has been frustrating but a lot of fun. Been able to play some guitar lately, which has been a lovely change of pace. But I'm also in the process of filming some online science content, as you can see over here. So I have Buzz Lightyear chilling with me, and also things like a pair of wings for your arms. So you'll hopefully be able to see some of that stuff on social media in the next little bit. Checking out from ISO, catch you later.
Staying at home for me has changed my work from being maybe an hour of office work per week to all of my work being office-based, which has been a lot to adapt to. Apart from trying to keep some normality by, just talking to my beautiful plants about some science topics, I had to really plan and try out different things to keep myself sane while I do data entry instead of engagement. This groovy bowed keyboard, as well as nice sunlight and some beautiful plants around, is definitely helping, along with this lovely little outdoor space I have where I can come out and have a coffee and get some sunshine. Also been trying to keep up with stretches, bit of this, bit of that, bit of this, bit of that, and some leg stretches as well. The most important leg stretch I've been doing, segue, is my partner and I have been going on walks to our beautiful nature reserve, seeing some bees, seeing some trees, importantly seeing some dogs, getting to say hi to some neighbours, and totally not accidentally engaging with the tree. What?
Hi everyone, my name's Rosie. I'm working from home during this quarantine fun time, and to keep yourself sane, I would like to recommend lighting candles because they make it feel nice and cozy and toasty, even though it's autumn but acting very much like winter. I would like to put out a PSA and a friendly reminder though to keep your candles very far away from your mugs, because when you're focused on work and you reach for your mug, your candle can feel a lot like a mug. And you really don't want to drink wax, guys. You just don't. Be safe.
Well, if I'm being honest, this isolation's been pretty hard, but there's a few things I'm doing to stay sane.
Alright, now.
I'm spending time with the ones I love, my plants. I'm clearing out my schedule for better things. I'm talking about the situation of the world with important people. I'm catching up on noteworthy content, attending essential online meetings, and making time for some family. But Most of all, you've just got to remember how beautiful the world is.
Hello everyone. If you didn't already know, my name is Brandon. I hope you are all doing really well and enjoying this extra spare time that I'm sure a lot of you have at the moment. I want to encourage and remind everyone that instead of thinking that isolation is limiting your choices, it can actually be expanding your choices. And this time that we have, think of it as an opportunity to do that one thing that you have always wanted to do. Time I personally never could have enough of, especially during school, and I'm sure many of you are the same. So I'm going to show you a few things that I've been doing to fill this amazing spare time. I've been riding my bike. I've been playing some basketball. We've built and I've been playing guitar.
This is Isolde from the social quarantine in the Netherlands. I'm really enjoying trying to finish my cultural exchange while not being allowed to come into contact with other people. So, what have I been doing? Well, I'm glad you asked. Early in the mornings, I will have my school classes. They are entirely in Dutch and nearly impossible for me to follow, but I am trying my best. There aren't many teachers running their classes anyway, so that means that I'm left with a lot of spare time to do other things. For instance, stare longingly out the window and consider the meaning of life. What's not to enjoy? Just because you are stuck at home all day doesn't mean you have to miss out on your usual everyday nuisances. I find reenacting parts of my normal daily life, like holding up my hand in class for hours, to be a charming and fun-filled exercise. Speaking of exercise, why not try having a solo dance party? Put on some fun music and dance around the room. No need to worry about how weird you look. There's no one there but you and your growing sense of shame. This is also the perfect time to practice hobbies or learn new skills. Self-portraiture can help you get to know yourself better. Try magic or befriend a worm. There's lots of fun to be had indoors that keeps you and the people in your community safe. We are all in this together. I mean, we're together, but, you know, like in a separate sense. You get the point. Stay safe.
Self-isolation throughout the nation. Keep your distance and we'll flatten the curve. One thing to do is plant a garden, grow some veggies and hope they sprout. I'm taking care of my fig tree and looking for new recipes to try out. When you can, you should get outside to do some physical activity like jogging. Otherwise, I'm working in my kitchen, writing my thesis. It's slow going. Make sure you keep in touch with your friends and chat with them over the phone. Just because you can't visit your family doesn't mean that you have to feel alone. Self-isolation throughout the nation. Keep your distance and we'll flatten the curve.
Yo, what up? This goes out to all my homies in isolation. Stick in there. We'll see you on the other side. I never thought of rapping before. This life of isolation has become such a bore. ScoMo's government won't pay my salary. I know, I'll get famous through Science Gallery. Now all I do is play Age of Empires. I thought, it's time I start my own choir. I got so sick of sitting in my bed, I decided to shave my head. I'd rather be anywhere instead. I'd rather be anywhere instead. I'm going crazy.
Hey, my work has moved to home this week, so I'm trying to create a really nice space to work in. It's important to have a lot of light, colour, art and things around you that inspire you. I love being able to cook on my breaks, Skype colleagues and teachers, and revisit hobbies I've been too busy for. I think it's super important to stay safe at home, but also to keep looking for fun things to do that you really enjoy, even if you're working or studying from home.